Welcome to Shapeshooter, a game for advanced users focused on improving the accuracy and endurance of their movements. The goal of Shapeshooter is to try and score as many points as you can by navigating your ship around the square arena. Press the next button when you are ready for the next instruction. Your ship will constantly move in the direction that the ship is pointing. Press next. You steer the ship with your movements up and down. When you bend up, the ship will steer clockwise, to its right. When you bend down, the ship will steer counterclockwise, to its left. To move the ship straight ahead, hold in the middle of your range of motion. There is a helpful indicator at the bottom of the screen to see how you are steering. Press next. At regular intervals, your ship will fire a projectile towards the nearest enemy. If the projectile hits the enemy, they will take damage. Press next. You can tell how much health an enemy has left based on their color. Enemies follow Roy Gbiv, with red being 1 health left. Press next. Once an enemy is destroyed, they will drop a pink points icon. Move over the pink points icon to get points and shoot faster. Press next. Avoid the walls of the arena, hitting them will destroy your ship. Press next. After you have navigated a wave of enemies, you will be confronted with a boss. Be careful, the boss shoots back. Once you destroy the boss, you will move on to the next stage. Good luck surviving in the arena.